Enterprise Wizard was designed for full auditability. It provides a detailed audit trail for every important activity in the system. This makes it a perfect application for ensuring compliance with Sarbanes-Oxley and other internal record-keeping and security requirements. Not only does it maintain a full audit trail, but it provides automated reporting and documentation to put that information at the fingertips of auditors and administrators. At the simplest level, when users work with records, they can easily see the progress and history of their communications. Append-only fields make it easy for staff and end users to communicate with each other. Every entry has a time, date, and user name stamp, making it easy to see all the communications that have taken place. In addition, a communications table tracks all emails sent to or from the system. These emails are linked to individual records, so from within a case or user record, you can see all of the relevant messages. At the manager and system level, our record history field tracks all changes made to every record. Here you can see who made each edit, when, and exactly which values were changed. Enterprise Wizard's rules and workflow engines control automation, process flow, and alerts. The workflow editor is used to define your business processes, and it not only defines the steps a process must include and the actions to be performed along the way, but also provides visual documentation of the process steps. Business rules manage all automation and alerts that fall outside of state changes. Any workflow or rule actions that have occurred are displayed in the record history for the triggering record modification, for easy process tracking and a full audit trail. The History field, combined with our advanced search functionality, lets you find not only current values of fields, but also any value that field may have had in the past. This can be used, for instance, to find all records a particular user ever touched. For example, let's find all records ever edited by Chris Sales Guy. It's as simple as deselecting the Now box to run a historical search. Historical searching also allows you to find all records that ever changed in a particular way. For instance, records in which the state changed from closed to reopened. The activity log provides more global information on system access and actions taken by users within the system. Tracking logins and logouts lets you see who is accessing the system and when. Capturing other user activity, such as record editing or deletion, lets you see which records your staff users are touching and also identifies any deletions. You can also track all configuration changes made by your administrators, which is especially helpful when you have multiple admins. Easy-to-create scheduled reports can be automatically emailed at any frequency to show any kind of activity in the system. For instance, you can report on all deletions of records to be sure users are behaving appropriately. Of course, they can only delete records if you've given their group permission to do so in the first place. And when it is time for an annual or quarterly audit, you can simply provide auditors with appropriate access to both records and reports to verify that all processes have been followed as defined. Automated email alerts and built-in reporting keep you up to date and informed about the life and history of your system without requiring any manual effort. Whether you are a support technician trying to remember that last email you sent to a customer, a director concerned about Sarbanes-Oxley compliance, or a system administrator focused on data integrity and user access, Enterprise Wizard's powerful auditing tools will help you manage your processes and ensure compliance.